So here we are to solve this excellent question. 3401 digits are used to print the page numbers of the book. How many pages does the book have? So to solve this, first we will divide the book into like this, pages 1 to 9. So pages 1 to 9 will have 9 digits. So each page will have only one digit. So pages 10 to 99, these are all 2-digit numbers. So from 10 to 99 we will have 90 digits, 90 pages. So 90 into 2 we will have 180 digits. So we will add here 009 180. So from pages 100 to 999, each page will have 3 digits. So how many pages we'll have? We'll have 900 pages. So into 3. So 900 into 3 is 2700 digits. So 2700. So we will add all these 3, 9, 8, 8, 2. So up to 999 pages, this is the total number of digits. We have 3401. Now we will subtract this from this. 3401 minus 2889. If we subtract, what we will get? We will get 512 pages. Now from pages after 999 you will have 4-digit numbers. From 1000 we will have 4 digits. So divide 512 by 4. So 512 divided by 4, that is equal to 128, right? So our answer will be till here 999 plus 128, total 999 plus 128. So our answer will be 1127. So therefore total number of pages is equal to 1127, right? Thank you.